Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to password protect WordPress category. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to click on here and search the plugin. So from there, just head over and search for this plugin, which is called Access Category Password. So I have head over and searched for it. Now you should be able to see in here some search results related to this case. Now you can also install this one, which is password protected. Head over and click on this install option right here, and then once it's done installing, you should be able to tap it by clicking on this activate option that will replace the installation button. Once you have actually activated this particular plugin, next thing you need to do is just click on this refresh now from in there. Now this will refresh our WordPress site in order to successfully add this particular plugin. Now you can see it right here open, so you can actually opt in for the email notifications, but I will skip that. Now, as you can see, once I skip that, I should be able to see in here the password protected option. Now you can see it here so you can enable it, and then you can enable this password protection for the whole site if you want as well. Like also put in here this protected permissions and all of that. So for this one, let's choose advanced. Now, once you have clicked on the advanced, you can see different settings wherein you can exclude pages, posts, or post type. Now, what you can do is you can head over right here to your content protection and then head over right here to your taxonomy protection and then just choosing here category. Take note also that this actual protection is only available to the pro plan that they have. You should be able to see in here this pro plan that they have. And once you have subscribed, you should be able to actually protect the category that you have on your WordPress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because that's reach more people. See you soon.